Hi guys, it's Siwe here and welcome again here at MH Innovations. Today we are going to be talking about how to clean your kettles. Oftentimes we remember to clean the outside of the kettle, but we forget about the inside. So here are some quick and easy steps on how to keep your electric kettle clean. Step 1. Combine water and vinegar. Fill your electric kettle with 1 pot vinegar and 3 parts water. Step 2. Bring the mixture to a boil. Bring the vinegar and water mixture to a boil and allow to stand overnight before emptying the solution. Step 3. Drain the kettle. Fill the electric kettle with water. Bring to boil, then drain. Repeat twice to remove any lingering vinegar odor or taste. Then your electric kettle is ready for you to use again. So I hope that was very informative. Not only will you be making a good cup of tea, but your kettle will also be clean. But for now, that's it from us here at MH Innovations. Until next time.